What's up, guys? I'm back at the Majestic Hotel in Kuala Lumpur, giving you a room tour of the junior suite. It's quite a bit larger, and the furnishings and everything are spread out, and we've got a separated, or I guess a completely separate dining sitting area here, which is kind of cool. And we've got two workstations, one over here and one sort of in this nook down here. Uh, Interesting layout, much larger room, but otherwise fairly similar to the deluxe king room that I did a room tour of earlier. The big difference here again is just it's a lot more space. The same things that I liked before, things like this coat stand and large windows, lots of light, the faux poster bed, the textured headboard. Oh, and this time we've got this sort of chaise right next to the bed. I just realized there's that. And my favorite part, of course, this fantastic washroom with the large freestanding tub and the dual vanities, the his and her sinks, if you will. And there's a TV in here, so if you're taking a bath and you just want to keep yourself occupied, there is that. It's kind of weird, but whatever. There's that. Then you've got just standard toilet cubicle behind glass here, and a shower cubicle with the rain head shower over here. Other than that, again, well appointed, nicely lit. Lighting is really important in rooms, and I find it can make or break the look and feel of a room. And again, the lighting is done really well. Soft lighting with the lamps, and even if you look at the ceiling, you've got the sort of the floating reverse moldings with the lighting coming in from underneath, which is a lovely touch in the evening. Especially, you can dim out all the rest of your lights and just have that illuminating the room. So yeah, that's sort of everything here. Let me give you a quick look at the outside. We're on the 13th floor, so we have a nice view looking out over central Kuala Lumpur. And down there is one of the swimming pools for the hotel. There's two, and this is the hotel itself. The Majestic Hotel has an interesting history, an interesting story. I unfortunately didn't read up on it, so I can't fill you in with a whole lot of confidence on what it is. But a big part of it was one of the original sort of luxury properties in Kuala Lumpur back from the colonial days, back from when the British were here. So there's a lot of history in this hotel, and a lot of stories, I guess, to tell. Like I said, I didn't read up on any of it, so I can't fill you in. But that's the room tour otherwise. And I'm going to end it there because there isn't a whole lot more to show you. You know what I did realize? This room is missing from the deluxe room. The deluxe room we were in earlier had this long wall here right next to the entrance with a full-length wall mirror. And this time, this mirror hidden back here by the closet. So I'm going to wrap that up here. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.